To load the shop order from Excel, the layout of the Tekla system was taken as a reference. The layout was updated, adding fields required in other plants, and needed to support different measurement units. In this example, the additional columns are shaded with yellow. Copy and paste. The first field is the mark, which is an alphanumeric field. The second column of the sheet is not required. The third column is the depth, also a descriptive alphanumeric field. The quantity of pieces to build of this product. The length, alphanumeric. The weight must be numerical, may include floating point. The total weight column is ignored, it is just a calculation coming from the source system. The description column defines the type of product that will be produced. For this, we must consider the brands that will be produced in the plant. We can use the full name or the abbreviation. The labels that appear when we manually register can be taken as a reference. The next column corresponds to the sequence code. The shop order ID is a grouper, can be the same for all the rows captured in the same session, or that are going to be printed or manufactured together. You can indicate if wood is required, only for plants that allow wood to be included in their pieces. The last column is the measurement unit, you can use the full name or the abbreviation. You can see examples of the abbreviations in the manual capture. Remember that you can still make some modifications. The number of pieces can only be edited before printing the QRs.